There's breaking news just coming in. The centre's anti-pollution pledge in the Supreme Court. The centre has told the Supreme Court it will shortly issue an ordinance to regulate and monitor stubble burning in Delhi NCR. That's the latest breaking news that is coming in at the moment. My colleague Anisha Mathur is joining us live for the very latest on the story. Anisha, centre telling Supreme Court they will be shortly issuing an ordinance to regulate. All right, we will be getting Anisha in just about a bit for more on this story. But that's the latest coming in. Delhi, of course, is waking up to a rather polluted morning every day again. And year after year, this continues to make headlines. Delhi's air in very poor category even now. And one of the major reasons for the Delhi's air pollution continues to be the parali burning or the stubble burning in the neighboring areas of Delhi. And now the centre has stepped in. They have told the Supreme Court they will shortly issue an ordinance to regulate and to monitor the stubble burning in Delhi NCR. This is the central government's anti-pollution pledge in the Supreme Court that we're breaking right now on India Today. So that's the latest coming in as far as the anti-pollution pledge is concerned. Supreme Court tells centre, curb the pollution. People are choking. Anisha Mathur now joining us for the very latest. Anisha, how do you view this with the Supreme Court telling the centre to curb the pollution levels in the national capital and the centre telling the Supreme Court it's going to be issuing an ordinance to regulate and monitor stubble burning in the national capital region?
Well, Chaitya, this was a very interesting point that was brought out by the central government today because they asked the Supreme Court to put the committee that the Supreme Court has put in place, which is the Justice Lokur Committee for physical inspection of the stubble burning in Punjab, Haryana, UP and Delhi. The centre told the court that we are coming up with a law. We are going to put in a committee with people from the affected areas, with senior officials. So your committee can be put in abeyance. There is no need for the Supreme Court appointed committee. So what is interesting is at this point when stubble burning is happening, the government has informed the court that their committee will be put in very soon. And the court has therefore agreed to put the 16th October order by which the Justice Lokur Committee was appointed in abeyance for the next several days. And this, even as the government was cautioned by the court that you must do something on a war footing, that this stubble burning is choking people, that there is an increasing amount of pollution in the NCR region. The government is now saying that no, we are going to put a committee in place. There is no need for the court-appointed committee, and that is why the court-appointed committee has now been put in abeyance. Senior Advocate Vikas Singh, interestingly, who was appearing for the petitioners, has raised an objection that why is it that before the government has actually appointed its own committee, why are they raising objections to the court committee of the retired judge from doing its job in the meantime? What is going to be very interesting to see is how quickly this ordinance is brought in, how quickly this committee is appointed. Right. Because remember, the stubble burning is not something new. It has been happening for several years. It happens continuously. And
absolutely.
And there have been multiple orders from the Supreme Court and from the High Courts for the government to take some action. But now it seems that the government is coming in and doing something.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks much, Anisha, for joining us with very latest details on this.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.